Trattoria. Visit. Sige, ano pa ang drinks nila? Ah, ito pala, sa likod pala yung drinks nila. Okay. For the pizza, mukhang masarap nung ponghi. Ito, calzone is ano to?
This one is a folded pizza, sir.
Folded pizza. Sige, bisan yan. At insalate is ano to?
For the salad, sir, we have caprese, classic with pork.
Salad to. Salad. Okay. Buffalo mozzarella. Shirt. Ayan yung classic beef na lang.
Anything else?
Okay. Yun lang. Wala kayong pasta. May pasta ba kayo? Or ito lang. For now, pizza pa lang. Pizza pa lang. Okay, sige. Sige. Thank you. Sige, thank you. So, kinuha ko. Torino Spritz. Ano yun? Torino Spritz. Drink.
So, dito check.
Parang Italian restaurant pala to. Sarap na. Very refreshing. So, this is the pizza stand. Aliw naman, grabe. Ano yan, miss?
Cheese platter, sir.
Ano to?
Your cheese platter.
Ah, cheese platter. Kala ko yung nasa menu. Okay, wala para sa menu. Alright, thank you. Ayan yung salad na carpaccio.
Yes.
Alright, sige. Wow.
Sir, would you want me to remove this?
Alright, video vlog check everybody. We're doing a food content here. I'm here sa Soler North. Soler North near Trinoma, hindi sa may Paranaque. At we are here sa Trattoria Restaurant. Kaka-open lang nila today. We're doing a food tasting and review na rin. Featured yung mga pagkain na meron sila. Trattoria, it's a Italian restaurant. Featuring sila ng mga pizza, gelato. May mga coffee rin din dito. But for now, pasta, wala pa akong balita. But soon, we're going to check out their menu once they're fully open. So I guess my pizza is here. And that's my ponghi pizza. Laki pala, grabe. Ayan. Busin natin ito, Alexei. Akala ko isang piece na isang buo pala. Ano yung nakikita ko lang sa likod? Akala ko isang piece lang.
That's a calzone.
Ah, calzone pala. Okay. So, okay, let's try it. Kain na tayo. Alright, thank you. Wow. Parang style nila. Kasi naglalagay ng ketchup or hot sauce yata. Eh. Hindi ata uso dito eh, no? It's the traditional way of pizza. Medyo mainit, freshly cooked from the oven. Wow. Ito pa ng tugtog nila, o sole mio. Na-trigger ako, grabe. Perfect music for the best pizza. Sarap, grabe. Wow, the best. Mushroom and cheese pizza. May Tabasco. Legit. This is the, ano yan, miss?
It's calzone.
Calzone. Folded pizza. Alright. Sige, ito na lang. Kasya pa yan. Oh my gosh. Ang laki ng plato nila. Panalo. Folded. Bilog siya. Tapos, finold. Parang gano'n. Okay.
So, ano naman niya?
This one, sir.
Mozzarella, ham, black olives, and mushroom, no? Okay.
Enjoy pizza po.
Thank you. Oh, grabe. Ang klase. Tsaka minsan POV na ako nagpa-vlog minsan. Mas mabilis eh. So, it's my Tabasco. Tikman natin. Ano muna? Oh my God. Tikman natin. Mas masarap pag may Tabasco. It's good. Folded pizza, kakaiba to. Para siyang pizza sandwich na tinupi. Wow!
There's the ham inside.
Punong-puno ng ham pala. Yung pizza nila is very soft. Hindi siya parang pandesal eh. Very pizza dough talaga. It's very legit. Siyempre, Italian restaurant. Kailangan yung mga pizza quality mo are the best talaga. The legit way of preparing it. So, yung pizza pala niya, approve na sa akin eh. Itong carpaccio, titikman natin. Parang ibang klase siya. Parang pizza salad with I'm not sure kung arugula to, no? Parang durog-durog na basil pala. It's basil. It's basil with cheese. Tikman natin. Salad pa lang to, ah. Salad. Wow. Kuha tayo ng some of the meat here. Ayan. Baklasing ano na rito. Some cheese. Ibang level yung cheese nila rito. Natin. Okay ah. Solid. Tingnan natin ito. Wow! Calzone. Siyempre, mas masarap pa talaga ko ng Tabasco. Yes. Folded pizza. Wow. Medyo wet on the inside. So, ubusin namin lahat yan kasi I want to try their signature trattoria. Ayan. Yung burrata and pistachio na pizza. Alright, namigit sila dito na parang sauce, parang pizza sauce, no? Ang style pa dito is if you have a crust, you can use it at dip it here. So gumawa sila ng paraan na hindi masayang yung crust mo. Dinip ko na. Ayan. Tikman na natin. So ito na. Okay ah. Okay ito ah. Uy, kanino yan? Sarap naman.
Diba, As? Oh.
Grabe.
Tapos meron tayong ulanzi.
Ulanzi. Pwede makingi ng red. Para ano? Red to, di ba? Manghang.
Hindi. I mean, rosa.
Rosa? Rosa? Wala sa menu. Rosa. Meron pala. Pingin ako. Pingin ako.
Pag may ulanzi talaga.
Iba ulan.
Anong tawag dito? Smoothie?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter frap. Peanut butter siya. Grabe
Peanut
naman.
butter frap. Ang sarap, no? Parang
lilis. Thank you for coming. Anong kinakain niyo dyan? Rosa? Rosa rin? Walang umorder ng red?
Chef January.
Yes po, like the first one. Like the one in Canada.
Happy New Year po, Miss Chef January.
Happy New Year then. How's your pizza naman po so far? Very good. Okay, what did you have? Oh, you had a crazy milkshake.
We actually had everything.
Oh, and then what's your favorite then?
Pongi.
Oh, pongi.
Ay, pungi, in order ko. Tsaka yung folded pizza.
Oh, the calzone.
Oh,
Actually,
calzone.
it's our crowd's favorite as well, the calzone. Yeah. Yes, because of the prosciutto, the half inside. That's one is rosa. So rosa means just red. That's why it's red-based sauce.
This is the sauce.
Yeah. So you like the combination of the arugula and the parma.
Arugula.
Yeah. Actually, here. The menu was designed sa lahat ng mga bestsellers and from what I like. Yeah, sa buong menu po kasi, we have like total of 15 pieces, including the portfolio and calzones. And then the menu that you have right now is our bestsellers. Very appreciate that you love what I do.
Chef, what other items do you have that's not being eaten?
Oh, actually, all our menu lang po is pizza, calzones, and portfolio. So, pizzas, we have more, like, 3 more red sauces and 3 more white sauces. We also have, did you have the puni? Yeah, the puki and then the quattro format.
Ako din, favorite ko rin siya. Kasi yung pala na-try ko eh.
It's because of the truffle. I'm sure it's because of the
Truffle
And
nga.
then we also have the also have the red sauce, vegetarian ortolana. So that one po is more on Mediterranean. Grilled zucchini, eggplant, capsicum, with a pesto, with lots of pesto. Everything is vegetarian. And of course, hindi mawawala yung margarita.
Margarita.
Of course, parang for us, they know the taste of margarita. So let's give them others speak of the margarita. So ayan po. Sa portfolio po, the folded pizza, we also have that. For me, the lighter version of pizza. So we cook the dough first and then dun po namin nilalagay afterwards yung...
Parang sandwich siya, no?
Yeah, parang siyang sandwich. So lighter one. It's, for me kasi, to go siya ng mga busy person. So,
okay.
you grab it and then you eat it while...
Oh, okay ah.
Yeah. Even the calzone actually. Yeah, it's a big part. You can cut it in half and then eat it while you walk. And then for the salad, you almost every salad is almost on the menu except the panzanella, the bread salad. So parang mas crowd's favorite po kasi yung caprese and then of course everyone's favorite beef carpaccio. I hope you like it.
Method na po pag pizza
Sorry po. Actually, the pizza po namin, it's a mix and match of Neapolitana and Romana. So, it's crispy but still chewy and soft. Ganun siya. Kasi the Romana, it's puffy and the Neapolitana is thin. So,
Parang medyo wet daw yung ano niya. Medyo
nasa
wet.
gitna po kami. We're in the middle of both. Na parang, pag tinaas niyo po yung pizza, it's still thin, steady. But when you eat it, it's moist.
Yun, moist.
Yeah.
Moist pala,
Opo.
moist.
Kaya andun po kami sa middle ng two kinds of Italian pizza. Ayun.
Chef, of course, this is an Italian restaurant. Do people still look for pasta?
Everywhere.
Oo nga eh, no?
We were open for soft opening po and for 2 days and the guest was like, why there's no pasta?
Oo.
Yeah. So currently, we're just offering pizzas and salads and of course the dolce. So let's see, in the next couple of months, we're gonna invite you when we have pastas.
Yun.
Yes. Ayun po.
Ikaw, ikaw,
Actually, it's nag-write down now, pero
ikaw, chef, what's your parang preference mo in enjoying pizza? Pizza and anong drink yung pinapair mo?
pizza and beer.
Ano?
Pizza and beer.
Pizza and beer.
Very personal beer. Kasi ano ako I'm not an alcoholic, pero I like alcohol. Gin and tonic, lalo na Amalfi Rosa. Oh, I love it. With a gin. Yeah. Probably try it later.
Yun. Dapat tayo rin pala.
As display, as our sauce, and as yung
From
pag-
ano din to, sa Italy din.
Italy.
Oo, napansin ko nga eh. So, nakausap natin si Chef January. No? And I just learned that The Trattoria restaurant, it's the first ever branch here in the country. Hindi siya imported or nasa Italy. So the first pizza restaurant here sa Soler. Dito lang siya meron, wala dun sa Entertainment City, which is located in Parañaque. So dito lang siya meron, sa Soler North lang pala siya meron. I learned na yung pizza style nila is medyo moist, wet. Ganun pa lang ang pizza nila sa Romania. Yung parang pizza na alam natin na medyo thick crust, na malutong, na matigas, na overcooked for example. Nasanay tayo sa ganung style eh. But here they're introducing the moist style of pizza ng mga taga-Romania, which is okay naman pala. So kinuha ko kanina sa table niya na Jonel, it's the Rosa pizza. We're gonna try it. Sarap, lalo na may arugula. Ito na ang favorite ko. Sarap, may arugula, gusto ko. Parang burp, ano pancake yan, waffle. Parang Magnum to isa, no? So I have here the Trattoria menu. Actually, yung menu nila is not yet final, no? Hindi pa final yung pricing nitong insalate nila, but other prices is final na. So for the pizza, it's 800 punggi. 800 yung quattro formaggi, meron sila. Trattoria rin din is 850. Ay yung size niya, ganyan yung size niya. At there's a red margarita, diavola, capricciosa, ortalona at rosa. Speaking of rosa, ito na yung aking rosa pizza. Sige. Sige, tabi mo muna yan. Ayan, lagay mo na lang muna din sa baba. Ayan.
Pizza rosa?
Alright, lagay mo sa tabi. Alright, so calzone, it's 650 to 750. Ayan. Sa latte, ito yung folded pizza. Ito kanilang yung charcuterie. Ayan. Ito naman ay yung 3 kinds. It's 1 to 60 yung kanilang pricing. At meron silang dessert, tiramisu, orange cake, at also nakita ko meron silang cannoli dito. Oh my god, ano gusto kong itry yung cannoli. Ayan. At mga drinks nila are here. Ayan. Alright, so thank you so much Ay sige please. At here's my strawberry cheesecake na milkshake, di ba? Sige. Thank you. Iyon, no? Ganda. Ano pala iniinom yan? May straw. Akala ko dito. Alright. Manginggit tayo. Cheers! Cheers! Sabi ko paano inumin yan? Yung pala may straw pala. Hello, Aliza. Si Miss Belle.
Sir, Miss Marge, Sir Jonel, Kim, Sir Gus.
This is for you. Grabe, ito yung aking strawberry cheesecake na milkshake. Grabe. Ito nga tayo. Tikman natin. Hindi ko alam kung parang siya kakainin ng una eh. Grabe. Ano pinakain ko? Magkano to? 450 pesos. Ay, ganun sarap. Sarap, grabe. Matumba na eh. So here's the Rosa pizza with paborito kong arugula, Parma ham at cherry tomato sa parmesan shaving. Alright, kaya niya natin ito. Benta sa akin. Miss pizza tsaka yung ulo. Ay, nahulog yun! Nahulog! Nahulog na! Nahulog na yung bahay.
Ikaw na lang mag-isa?
Hindi, ako na. At ito na, after my milkshake, it's time for my yummy gelato. At ano bang order natin? So, isang salted caramel. Yes. Sa cup. Lagwan mo naman akong bata. Lagyan mo ko yung pang bata. Ayan, gusto ko ito salted caramel. Okay na ako for this. And they have a green tea, hazelnut, peanut butter, honeycomb, strawberry cheesecake, mango, blueberry, rocky road, at ang aking paboritong salted caramel. Yan lang talagang aking ever favorite. Hindi, yan lang. Ikaw ba nag-ano ka ba doon?
Hindi ko pa alam eh.
Hindi ka ba na-order?
Hindi pa.
Yan. Okay na ako for the salted. Hindi na, wag na.
May toppings po tayo.
May toppings, oh. Okay na ako, di ako nagka-toppings. Thank you. Ayan, thank you. Oy, may Soler na ano. Nice. So, they have here yung, yan, yung mga syrup. Yan, kayo na bahala maglagay niya. Sprinkle hazelnut. Kaso nga lang ako, I like my gelato plain. Dapat maglalagay pa ako ng ilang scoop, pero okay na ako dito. Ito na, sea salt caramel. Salted caramel pala. Sarap. May honeycomb yata ito. Sarap. And here's my Americano.
Para makuha ko agad.
Americano na may kasamang cookies.
Sa Apple talaga.
So ayan, kape na tayo.
Sa Apple dito. Kasi doon nakuha ko agad, same day. Pati yung mga battery
Kape na.
ko, doon ko binibili. Kasi dito, for example, battery ng iPhone, nakakagastos ka ng 7,000 to 8,000.
Mainit! Hindi ko kaya init. Asama na, hey! Asama na for you. Elupit at kerintat at kapatapatula to. Mamma mia! Alright, so that's it guys for our food feature here for today in Soler North. So check it out yo. Trattoria restaurant here sa level 1. Enjoy their pizza, their gelato, their coffee, their dessert at mga cocktails nila. So visit it and yun na, bago tayong kakainan pag nasa Soler North na tayo. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. More food content, more events here at Soler. Alright.